I want to slide in close to you.
Slide. Slide.
Move over. I want to slide in close to you. This photo does not say, let us do your child's birthday party. It says, we're an AC/DC tribute band and you can pay us in cocaine.
Cocaine. Cocaine.
Band and you can pay us in cocaine.
You realize you just asked a man who only takes pictures of his penis.
Yes, but it's always well lit and perfectly in focus.
Perfectly. Perfectly.
But it's always well lit and perfectly in focus.
Well, good night, ladies. Sleep tight. Don't let the bed bugs bite.
Bug. Bug.
Sleep tight. Don't let the bed bugs bite. I am 75 years old. I don't even have enough time left to wipe twice.
Wipe. Wipe.
I don't even have enough time left to wipe twice. Hello there.
Such a gentleman. And what a well-behaved boy.
Behave. Behave.
And what a well-behaved boy.
Ukraine's gonna try to invade Poland. It's double D-Day.
Double. Double.
It's double D-Day.
A dog, I'll treat you like a dog.
Well, there goes his photography career.
Photography. Photography.
Well, there goes his photography career.
Yes, of course. Why should sausage suffer?
You know how to handle yourself. Impressive.
Impressive. Impressive.
Impressive.
Roar of cleaning.
Ah, no big deal. I was lifting up couches when I was 6.
Couch. Couch.
I was lifting up couches when I was 6.
This one like to make big announcements about nothing, yes?
Yes. Hey, does that electric cigarette work?
Electric. Electric.
Hey, does that electric cigarette work?
I smoked for 7 years, and then I quit when I was 12. Yeah, I didn't want to die of lung cancer.
Lung. Lung.
Yeah, I didn't want to die of lung cancer. I smoked for 7 years, and then I quit when I was 12. Yeah, I didn't want to die of lung cancer before I was teenager.
Teenager. Teenager.
Before I was teenager. Ooh, glamorous.
Almost done. 2-minute warning.
Warn. Warn.
Almost done. 2-minute warning. Max, you shouldn't smoke. You'll get...
What, electrocuted? This is silly.
Silly. Silly.
This is silly. This is silly. If I'm gonna suck on something this hard and get no pleasure out of it, I should just date.
Pleasure. Pleasure.
This hard and get no pleasure out of it, I should just date. Well, you know, she's sort of new to this kind of work. She was born rich, but her father stole a bunch of money from people.
Bunch. Bunch.
Rich, but her father stole a bunch of money from people. Yeah, well, she's not weighing me down.
Weigh. Weigh.
Yeah, well, she's not weighing me down.
Not a stick that is hot, a hot McStick. It's meat on a stick, and it's very popular.
Meat. Meat.
It's on a stick, and it's very popular.
Yeah, but I bet that mixed stick thing is delicious.
It is.
Well, that must have been hard. I admire your courage.
courage, courage,
I admire your courage.
Yep, I sold 2 million of that particular card. On the front it says, "You're on." When you open it up, thin ice, right?
thin, thin,
Thin ice, right?
We should get double the money. I'm calling Sophie right now and telling her we should get more.
I would not suggest you complain to Sophie.
complain, complain,
I would not suggest you complain to Sophie.
I mean, reprove it. This is just like when they made me take the SATs again, away from all the Asian kids.
Asian, Asian,
Away from all the Asian kids.
No, you did not flush a whole roll of paper towels.
No, you did not just use that tone with me when my...
tone, tone,
No, you did not just use that tone with me when my...
No, you did not flush a whole roll of paper towels.
No, you did not just use that tone with me when my good shoes are wet.
Shut up.
wet, wet,
When my good shoes are wet.
Shut up.
I just really needed a little siesta after all that cleaning.
How are you so good at Spanish and so bad at cleaning?
Spanish, Spanish,
How are you so good at Spanish and so bad at cleaning? Man, why do I never get invited to parties like this?
Do you know what that means?
Yeah, this building is a real shirt shortage.
shortage, shortage,
Yeah, this building is a real shirt shortage.
Oh my god, do you think this might be the Abercrombie Models apartment?
I doubt it's the Abercrombie Models apartment.
Here's a...
doubt, doubt,
I doubt it's the Abercrombie Models apartment.
Here's the... I think it is him. It's the guy who put the abs in Abercrombie, and he's naked. Good naked.
naked, naked,
And he's naked. Good naked. It's the guy who put the abs in Abercrombie, and he's naked. Good naked. Should we lift the sheet?
When I
sheet, sheet,
Should we lift the sheet?
When I Oh, you start cleaning the mess out there. I got this.
The bedroom's attached to the bathrooms, and I always do the bathrooms, and he's my ideal type.
And I do
ideal, ideal,
I always do the bathrooms, and he's my ideal type.
and I do
Bedroom's attached to the bathrooms, and I always do the bathrooms, and he's my ideal type.
and by doing the bathrooms, do you mean flooding them? And by ideal
flood, flood,
by doing the bathrooms, do you mean flooding them? And by ideal
I floated over there and got paid for the job that I got us from the website that I'm trying to pay for. And now I'm gonna float down this hall and wake the hot...
float, float,
Now I'm gonna float down this hall and wake the hot model up. Cause contrary to what you and your poverty gal pal may think, I always do the job I'm hired for. Oh!
higher, higher,
Always do the job I'm hired for.
Oh!
God, this is not working. But you know what? I know he's still alive because...
alive, alive,
You know what? I know he's still alive because...
I got this. Max, go get some hydrogen peroxide. Sophie, step aside now.
All right.
aside, aside,
Sophie, step aside now.
All right.
Hi, you're being subway creepy.
I have to say, when you were punching that almost dead guy in the stomach, that was a
stomach, stomach,
almost dead guy in the stomach. That was a... Yeah, but mine is like way cooler than yours. It's like one of those silver ones that never goes out of air.
silver, silver,
One of those silver ones that never goes out of air.
They don't.
Yeah, but mine is like way cooler than yours. It's like one of those silver ones that never goes out of air.
They don't make those anymore. They're toxic.
Exactly.
toxic, toxic,
They don't make those anymore. They're toxic.
Exactly. That's cool. You do your thing, I'll do mine. Hey, get your phone. We should capture this near-death victory moment as our web.
Capture. Capture.
Should capture this near-death victory moment as our web.